Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. My name is Bharat Natarayan. Now we are in a 10th video of Next.js series. In this video, I'm going to explain about the UseRouter hooks in Next.js. Before that, if you don't have the basic understanding of link component, it will affect learning the UseRouter. So definitely you should have the understanding of link components. If you don't have, don't worry. I will provide the link for the link components video in the top right corner of this video. So you can refer there. So without further wasting of time, let's get into the video. Agenda of this video is use router. So use router is basically used to route or achieve the navigation from for the end user. So we can achieve navigation through the push replace prefetch methods. So link component also we are using for navigation. So what is the advantage of using router? For example, uh, you are ordering a product in a e-commerce. So you are order the product in the e-commerce. So you are clicking the place order for the product. In this button, you couldn't provide the link component because in the backend there should certain functions should happen, right? The form should be validated or the data are present correctly, etc. So at this point we should navigate programmatically. To achieve this programmatical navigation, we use routers. So I will explain with the practical demonstration here. In previous video I have explained the routing with link components. So I'm going to create import the router, use router, and then I'm going to create a constant which is named router, use router. Next, so here instead of a link component, I'm going to comment this, and I'm going to create a div tag. So in this div tag, I'm going to provide name as a product, which I have named as exactly same here. On click, I'm going to create a function. Within here, I'm going to create the navigation using router. The router, the keyword which we have used here, we have to place here. Router dot push, we have to provide the same URL which we have provided here. So now we can start the project. So you could understand that this example how the navigation is happening. So the project is kickstarted, the URL is appeared, I'm accessing the URL. So let's make the full page. Here we have the div tag product. If we click on this, we can go to the product folder. Before before we used uh, before we used link component to achieve the same result. Now I'm going to give the example product. So we have achieved the same result with both techniques. So the situation only decide what we want to decide, what we want to use. So we can use router where we cannot use the link component. So next, after this push, we can also change the appearance of the path. Like after giving the address, so this is the address. I'm going to change this as a slash Bharat, exactly, which is my name. So here I have given this. Next, I'm directed to the home page. After I click same product file has been accessed, but the URL name only is changed. So the second option is this second option is optional to enter. If we enter, the name will be renamed. Path of the name of the path will be renamed in push. So instead of push, we can also use replace. Replace. So if we used replace also, we will get the same exact result. So what is the use of keeping push under replace? Uh, like the use is the replace will not hold the history of this path, the path history of the URL. So if we direct to the back, direct to the previous page using this back arrow, then we will direct it to the home page directly. So next we can use prefetch. Prefetch. This we cannot use in the development mode. We can only use in the production mode. Like if we give, so it is not directing to the particular address because we couldn't use in the development mode. We can only use in the production. After production, it will work after the production. So we couldn't see the live result of this prefetch in the development mode. So this is the basic overview of use router to achieve navigation. So guys, you have I think you will have the basic understanding of what is use router and how we are going to use for the navigation to achieve navigation through programmatically. So in my future videos, I will post a number of videos in future related to Next.js. As a next video, I'm going to post 404. So keep subscribe the YouTube channel and listen to the regular updates. Thank you guys.